Curious about the essential tools behind effective email collaboration in Exchange Online? Today, we're diving deep into shared mailboxes and distribution lists, two pillars that streamline team communication and simplify administration. Let's start with shared mailboxes. Imagine a central inbox that multiple users can access, reply from, and manage, all without needing a separate license for each member. Shared mailboxes are perfect for support desks or project teams, allowing everyone to respond as a unified group. The magic lies in permissions. Administrators control who can read and send messages, manage calendars, and carry out tasks together. Setting up a shared mailbox in Exchange Online is straightforward. First, navigate to the Exchange Admin Center, choose Shared Mailboxes, and create one with a descriptive name. Next, add members by assigning full access and send as rights. This enables seamless collaboration, and all interactions are tracked within the shared account, keeping your team aligned and transparent. Now, let's compare this to distribution lists, or DLs. Unlike shared mailboxes, DLs don't store messages. Instead, they function as broadcast channels. Send an email to the DL address, and every member receives a copy. No shared inbox, just efficient group dissemination, ideal for company announcements, department updates, or any time you need to reach a larger audience quickly. Administrators manage DL membership through the Exchange interface, granting access or restricting who can send to the list, ensuring controlled communication flow. Why use one over the other? Shared mailboxes are best for collaborative workflows. Think shared management, common calendars, or tracking conversations. DLs excel at information spreading, keeping large teams in the loop without context sharing. Mastering these features means knowing how to configure permissions, monitor activity, and adjust settings for security and compliance. Exchange Online offers intuitive UI controls for adding members, setting access, and viewing audit logs. This empowers admins to tailor mailbox and list behavior, ensuring smooth operation and streamlined support. By distinguishing between shared mailboxes and distribution lists, and understanding their setup and maintenance, you'll be equipped to build reliable communication structures that drive teamwork and organizational clarity. With these tools at your fingertips, you're ready to confidently manage your Exchange Online environment and elevate your IT strategy.